What if I told you that you could take a single AI-generated image, no camera, no microphone, no actor, and turn it into a fully talking, lip-synced character in under 5 minutes? This isn't a concept. This isn't coming soon. This is Dzine AI, and it's available right now. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to AI Motion Studio. Today, I'm going to walk you through one of the most complete AI creative platforms I've used, Dzine AI. If you've been jumping between 5 different tools to generate images, create videos, do lip sync, and edit your content, Dzine puts all of that in one place. We're talking text to image with models like Nano Banana 2.0, Flux, and GPT, image to video with Kling, Seedance, Runway, Veo, and more, and one of the best AI lip sync tools I've tested. Today, we're going deep on 2 features specifically, Nano Banana 2.0 for generating photorealistic characters, and Dzine's lip sync for bringing those characters to life with speech, expressions, and natural head movement. Let's get into it. All right, so the first thing we need is a character. Inside Dzine, click on Text to Image or Start a New Project and use the chat box at the bottom. The key here is picking the right model. Dzine gives you access to a ton of image generators, Nano Banana 2.0, Nano Banana Pro, Flux, GPT image generation, Seedream, Grok Imagine, but for photorealistic human characters, Nano Banana 2.0 is the one you want. The skin textures, the lighting, the facial detail, it's genuinely one of the best image models available right now. Set your aspect ratio, I'm going 16:9 for YouTube, and now write your prompt. And here's the thing, don't just type a person talking. Be specific. Describe the face, the hair, the clothing, the background, the lighting, the expression. The more detail you give it, the more control you have over the output. Hit generate, and within seconds, you've got a studio quality character ready to go. And if you're on the master plan, image generation is unlimited, so you can experiment freely without worrying about credits. Now, here's something that separates Dzine from a lot of other platforms: character consistency. If you're making a short film or a series, you need the same character across multiple scenes. Dzine has 2 ways to handle this. First, you can generate a character sheet. Just use your original image as a reference and ask for your character from different angles, close-up and full body. Nano Banana handles this really well. Second, Dzine has a dedicated consistent character tool that lets you generate the exact same face and style across completely different scenes and compositions. Same face, same style, every single time. This is huge for storytelling, for building a brand character, or for creating an AI influencer. Okay, this is the part that blew me away. Click on Lip Sync in the sidebar. You'll see it's got a hot badge, and it earns it. This is hands down Dzine's most powerful feature. First, choose your generation mode. You've got Normal and Pro. Go with Pro. The quality difference is significant. Better movement, sharper detail, more natural expressions. Set your output to 1080p for a crisp, professional result. Now upload your character image. Dzine automatically detects the face. You'll see a detection box appear instantly. And here's what makes this really special. You can lip sync up to 4 characters in a single scene. So if you've got a dialogue between 2 or 3 characters, you can set up all of their voices and timing right here on one timeline. For voices, you've got 2 options. Option 1, text to speech. Type your script, pick from a library of AI voices, James, Hope, Joey, Finn, Arabella, each with a different style, from conversational to narrative to energetic. You can preview each one and adjust the speed. And there's an expressive mode where you can add emotion cues in square brackets, like joyfully or whispering, and the voice adapts its delivery. That's a game changer for dialogue scenes. Option 2, upload your own audio. Record your own voice, upload the MP3, and Dzine will sync your character's lips and expressions to your actual voice. Up to 5 minutes of audio, 60 megabytes max. Once your voices are set up, arrange them on the timeline, hit generate, and watch the magic happen.
The 4 essential elements of any successful artificial intelligence are curiosity, creativity, communication, and a really, really powerful graphics processing unit, preferably one that doesn't overheat while rendering 3-dimensional interpretations of abstract concepts at 2 in the morning.
The result is not robotic. It's not stiff. The head moves naturally, the expressions match the tone, the lip sync is accurate from a single still image. I've tested a lot of lip sync tools, and this is genuinely in a different league. But Dzine isn't just lip sync and images. Once you have your characters and your scenes, you can bring them to life with AI video. Dzine gives you access to all the major video models: Kling 2.0, Seedance, Runway Gen-4, Google Veo, Minimax, Luma, Wan,
all inside the same workspace. Select your image, pick a model, describe the motion, and generate. You can build entire storyboards, create character sheets, generate scenes, add lip-synced dialogue, and produce video, all without ever leaving the platform. For anyone making AI short films, ads, social content, or YouTube videos, this is a seriously powerful workflow. Now, let's talk about getting started. Dzine has a free plan that gives you credits on sign-up plus daily free image credits to keep experimenting. They also offer a 7-day premium trial so you can test the full suite before committing. Paid plans start at around $25 a month for video credits and higher resolution output. The master plan gives you unlimited image generation and plenty of credits for video and lip sync. I'll drop my link in the description if you want to check it out. If you found this breakdown useful, smash that like button and subscribe to AI Motion Studio for more AI tool deep dives just like this one. I cover the latest in AI video, image generation, and creative tools every single week. Drop a comment below. Have you tried Dzine's lip sync? What did you think? I want to hear about it. Until next time, keep creating.